Good morning, students. Today we will be taking GK period. So we hadn't started our GK subject yet. So today will be the first class for your GK period. So in order to start the class, we first have to download the PDF of first chapter. So in order to download the PDF, we can use this portal. Okay, I have already put in your group description, and I have also provided some PDFs of how to use. So first of all, you need to go to class 7. Okay, the net is not working now. It's still not working. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, it's not. It should be class 6. Okay, sorry, class 6. Then GK, right? So let me introduce you one thing. So this is, okay, sorry. So this one, can you see this one? This is a doubt form. Okay, with this form you can write anything or anything related to your subject, about your doubt, question, whatever you have, without showing your identity. Okay, who are you? I won't know. It will be a question mark. Who asks me about anything, you, I won't know who are you. Okay, you just need to fill up this form and ask your problem, or maybe only related to your subject. Okay, you just need to tap on here and you have to fill up this student discussion form. You have to select your subject, your problem, class, explanation related to subject, and you just need to submit it. Okay, so let's continue our classes. Then GK, right? So you have to go to GK, general knowledge. So here, 12 5, okay, 12th May. So chapter 1 full PDF. Tap on download button. Now I will tap on download button. So here, first chapter is about, first chapter is about my India. Okay, the country we are living. So how we feel to know our country. So this chapter we will discuss about some facts about country. Okay, some national emblems, some national flags, all important facts that every person should know. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about this flag. This flag, this one. Okay, this particular flag. So let's start our first chapter, national flag. The national flag is a horizontal tricolor. Okay, tricolor means this one color, two and third. So these are tricolor. Then the first one is saffron. This one is not orange. Okay, this one is not orange, this one is not orange, this one is saffron. Okay, as they say, saffron at the top, while in the middle is dark green, white in the middle. Okay, this one I was amazed. This one, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom. So first is first is saffron, then white, then green, right? Then at the center, white band is a navy blue chakra. So they are talking about this one, this chakra. Okay, this one is navy blue, white band and navy blue chakra wheel that has 24 spokes. Spokes means these lines. Okay, these lines, these small lines. So there are 24 lines. Then four spoke. The national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in 22nd July 1947. So you need to mark this one as this one, very important. Okay, this one very important, 22nd July 1947. Okay, so this one, 22nd July 1947 was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. So according to the flag code of India, the flag has a ratio of 2/3. So that means this, the length, there is a length and breadth. The size of the the size according to the flag is is made in such a way that there is some size, okay, this and this, okay, length and breadth. So the length is 3 and the breadth is 2. So this is 2 by 3, okay, ratio has 2 by 3. So 3 is the length, this one is breadth. Remember the size of the national flag. Now we will come with national emblem. National emblem, this one. So this one is the national emblem, okay. The national emblem of India is lion. Can you see this one? This one, lion, okay. Lion, capital adopted from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath, okay. So it was adopted from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. So it was adopted on 26th January 1950. It is adopted in 1950, 26th of January. The original, in the original, there are 4 lions standing. There are 4 lions, remember, okay. There are 1, 2 and 3, and 1 is at the back side. So however, only 3 lions are visible from the front. There is a Dharma Chakra. So this one is called Dharma Chakra, okay. This one is called Dharma Chakra, similar to this one. So there is a Dharma Chakra in the center to the left from a figure of a bull, okay. Can you see this one? This, there is Dharma Chakra at the center of the base. To the left of the figure of a bull, there is a figure of a bull, and at the right there is a horse, okay. So at the left there is a bull and at the right there is a horse. The word Satyame Vijayate means truth alone triumphs are inscribed below the base in the Devangiri script. So in here there are some kind of script which is Satyame Vijayate, this one, Satyame Vijayate. So truth alone triumph are inscribed below this Devangiri script, okay. So there is so many facts about this emblem. This is called national emblem, okay. So if anyone asks you about national emblem, then this is the national emblem. Okay, it has been already 2 minutes.